Any favorite food?
Yeah. And this is serious. What's up everybody? Welcome to my YouTube channel. So this is my very first official video. Before we go any further, I gotta tell you guys, this YouTube thing, this is no joke. We've been, for the past 2 hours or 2 hours and a half, we're trying to get the perfect shot, the great lighting and all that, but yeah, finally we made it. And of course this is not the perfect shot, this is not the perfect lighting, but you gotta do what you gotta do, as I like to say. So I'm gonna give you an overview on what this YouTube will be all about. It's gonna be about mindfulness, mindset, and business, specifically digital marketing. I'm gonna be sharing my best tips and tricks on how to make money using social platforms like YouTube and Instagram, of course. So for my first video, I decided to do a get to know me video because hey, we just met, right? Hello, hi, how you doing? My name is Jesse. Subscribe, like. All right, let's go. So my girlfriend will be asking some questions and hopefully you'll get to know me better. All right, let's do it.
The first question I got is, what is your full name?
My full name is Nindagie Nanokura Jess Martes. Those are my real names on my birth certificate. They're long, but yeah, didn't get to choose.
What does your name mean?
All my names.
Any of
The Nindagie one means guided by the Almighty. The Hanukura, it means the one who never get into a bad mood, if I can say it like that. Yo, African names don't have great English meaning, but anywho, Jesse is the David's father in the Bible, and Martes means Tuesday because I was born on a Tuesday. That's something. Yeah, my dad decided to call me Tuesday.
Are you named after anyone?
Yeah, my dad and my great granddad. The Nindagie Nanokura.
If you have to change your last name, what would it be?
Great question, because that's a project. I'm gonna change my names to two names, just two names. Jesse Boyer. I'd like to change my name to Boyer because yeah, why not?
How old are you?
23, but I'll be turning 24 in next month, June 18th. That's my birthday.
Where are you from?
East Africa, baby. Burundi.
And where were you born?
Bujumbura. Okafe! Gagara. No one knows that, but it's okay. My Burundian friends will know.
When did you get saved?
Yeah, late November 2018. I don't recall the very date. The exact date, if I can say it like that. 27 or 28, maybe. 28.
And how many siblings do you have?
We're 3. I have a brother and a stepsister.
Introvert or extrovert?
Tricky question. I would say ambivert. It depends with, who am I? Who am who am I with? Who am I with? It depends on who am I with. So if I'm with ambiverts, I won't talk much, but yeah, I can definitely be an extrovert.
Any piercing or tattoo?
Yeah, I have 1 piercing and 1 tattoo.
Who did you look up to when growing up?
That's a difficult question for a African kid. Because, okay, I'm gonna speak for myself. My dad always worked overseas, so he wasn't there. If I say that he wasn't there, it sounds like, you know, but he was there. So I hope I'm not the only one. So he would come for like 2-3 months, holidays, and we spent some times. But I was very, you know, very little, a kid. So I'm gonna skip that question, man. I'm gonna skip that question.
And what was your dream job as a kid?
Dream job. Not a job per se, but I always wanted to be an inventor. I'm an inventor, so I would destroy my toys just to see how it's, you know, how this thing work, or just go on a hike in my neighborhood just to pick up some broken chips and electronic parts. But yeah, I never made anything.
What are your favorite things about yourself?
Favorite things. I don't really pay attention on what's on me, so things. Okay, I'm gonna say parts, body parts. I love my shoulders and I like my eyes, you know. Next question.
I got a good one for you. What is your biggest accomplishment?
Biggest accomplishment. I would say to have broken out that mentality, if I can say it like that. So I wouldn't say I'm westernized though, like no, but yeah, let's say it like that. Just say it like that.
What is your biggest fear?
Biggest fear, not raising self-aware kids. Reaching my goals.
What is your biggest pet peeve?
I hate when someone with a know-it-all demeanor, or I know everything, or you know what I mean? Yeah, you know what I mean.
I'd like to know what inspires you.
What inspires me? Whenever I see someone gain another level of awareness and break out their comfort zone and start asking why this, why that. It inspires me to see that. Personally, what inspires me is when I contribute in that experience on that other party, you know?
What is the most important thing in your life?
Most important thing in my life. Thing or person?
Thing. You can say person. That depends on you.
My happiness.
Great. What has required the most courage of you in your life so far?
Being that kid that asks why in my family or in my circle.
Who's your favorite actor?
Favorite actor is gonna be Will Smith. That guy is a beast.
Who's your celebrity crush?
Don't kill me, eh? Megan Good.
She's my crush too. Any favorite food?
Yeah. And this is serious. Food. Any type of food.
Do you have any favorite quote?
I have a few ones, but one that always gets me wake up and do stuff is "Tomorrow is Another Day" by my dad.
And finally, do you have a motto?
Motto. Yeah. So when I was a kid, we had a picture of a lion, and it has a small quote saying, "Nothing is impossible to a willing heart." And yeah, let's start to that. I have a lot of quotes that I live by, but I think that will do the work. All right. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this little get to know me. So what I would like is you asking me questions on my Instagram. So I'm gonna put my Instagram on the screen. Follow me if you want to, or if you resonate with my content, and don't hesitate to DM me your questions. I'm gonna be so happy to answer them. And yeah, keep it no filters. Ask me whatever you want. Yeah, and I'm also open to critics. Comment down below if the audio is good, if the lighting is or or yeah, I'll be very, very happy to change a few things, because this channel is not about me. It's about the community that I want to build, and that's you. And make sure to subscribe and like this video. It's gonna help me grow on YouTube, because if the algorithm sees that someone is watching and subscribing and liking, the algorithm will be like, this guy Jesse is killing it, so let me spread him. So yeah, thank you very much, and see you to the next video.